trippers. We were originally supposed to do the Peekaboo Loop, but we had to change plans a little bit. So we're just gonna walk down it a little bit.
Like a big tic-tac-toe board.
Who won? Can't tell. Where's the circle?
I don't know.
There's no O's. I see X's. So we're not going to do the full Peekaboo hike, but we get to do a little bit. Another switchback area. Switchbacks look really interesting when they're exposed like that, Gray. Switchbacks, they look interesting when they're exposed like this. So we were supposed to do Peekaboo Loop today. Some things happened, but we're just gonna go down the trail a little bit to the start of the Peekaboo Loop. Wish we had more time, but you know, things happen. So we'll definitely have to plan to come back to Bryce to do Peekaboo Loop and the Fairyland. It's not like us to miss out on some great hikes, but things happen and you deal, right? Use caution on the trail and go slow because it is kind of slippery. You kind of slip a bit. One positive is that we got to do the Mossy Cave and waterfall hike. Highly recommend that one. Nice short one. This marks the end of where we're hiking today. Like I said, we're not going all the way down to Peekaboo Loop. Just walked a little bit just to get a feel for the area. Definitely going to come back at some point to hit the Peekaboo and the Fairyland. But just this little bit to hike down a few hundred feet, well, it's probably about 300 feet. Totally worth it. Trail counter here too. This trail's been a lot less crowded than the Navajo and Queen's Garden Trail. So if you're looking for a good 5-miler, this would definitely be it. We only saw a few people on it. And it's in the summer, one of the more crowded times. Sorry about the heavy breathing. Rules of the trail. What goes down must come up. Switchback time. Look at these trees just hanging on. Waiting for these rocks to give out. We only did about 1.1, 1.2 miles. Nice, easy little walk if you want to see some cool stuff. The elevation gain to where we went was about 200 feet, so not that bad. I think most people could do that. Hey Gray, you know what we forgot to check?
What?
Deer man. You see any evidence?
Not yet.
Don't see anything. Preston, you see deer man? There is deer man. Really hard to find deer man here.
There's so many rocks.
Is that? It's kinda. I don't know.
It probably got chopped off at the bottom.